Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to do something really cool for your business today. This is just something fun that you can do literally every month. It's great for social media. It's great to get your business out there and personalize it with your information. Your customers will look forward to having something to do as they're scrolling through their social media channels. So here's what you can do. You can create these little holiday word searches and put your information in there. So you can see I have chalk, couture, paste, create, design, and then I can personalize it with that kind of stuff. So how do you make this? You're going to go over here to this A to Z teacherstuff.com, and it's really simple. You're going to put in some words that you want, put them in one line at a time, and then I put 4 or 5 that had to do with my business. So the rest have to do with the holiday, and then I put 4 or 5 that have to do with my particular business. So just put that in there, and then you're going to hit create puzzle. And you can see that it's created it right here. Now you don't want to put more than what you have. Let's see, I forgot the title. So put the title, St. Patrick's Day. Now hit create puzzle. Okay, so you want that in there too. So don't put more than 15, or it puts them on 2 lines, and you don't want to do that for social media purposes and our graphic and everything. So what I want you to do is basically print screen. There is a button on your computer, whether you have to hit Alt or Control or print screen, you need to figure out what that button is, but print your screen or snapshot a picture, and you're going to go over to Canva, and I'm going to show you how to create this. So all you're going to do is paste. So this is literally copy paste, and you're going to see it's going to pull my whole computer screen because I did print screen. So now I'm just going to crop this picture just like so in Canva and leave just the crossword puzzle. Okay, now I'm going to make that bigger like so and center that. You'll see the line pop up. All right, so now I'm going to go over here and type in St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to grab some things to dress it up for St. Patrick's Day. So let's move that up. Get that banner all the way in. Here you can see that. And let's put hat up here. And now I can go to Bitmojis and put my little personalization on it, or you can put your website, you can put your logo, you can put whatever you want, but make sure that if this gets shared, it has your business information on it, right? So just make sure that's personalized to yourself. Now you have this great little holiday fun thing to do with your business, and this is great for all your social media profiles. Get your information out there. I would definitely put your website on here as well. Just hit text and put that on there. So you would put and then you're going to want to put this everywhere, basically. So just make sure that your business information is on there in case it does get shared. All right, there you go. Now you have a really fun social media post.